Managing your contacts can be challenging, but it's easy when you get it right. This video will prepare 5 effective and simple solutions for you to delete or merge duplicate contacts in iPhone. Way 1. Merge duplicate contacts on iPhone with iOS Data Manager. The most effective way to fix duplicate contacts on iPhone is to use advanced software to merge them. Here, we would like to recommend iOS Data Manager, a popular iOS management tool specially designed for managing data on iPhone. Install iPhone Contacts Manager on computer, connect iPhone via USB, choose Contacts, scan iPhone contacts, and select Deduplicate. Pick duplicate contacts to merge, click Merge Selected. Way 2. Delete duplicate contacts on iPhone with iCloud. Visit iCloud.com, log in with Apple ID, click Contacts, select All Contacts. Control for Windows, Command for Mac, choose Duplicates, click Gear, select Delete to remove selected iPhone contacts. Way 3. Remove duplicate contacts in iPhone with Mac Contacts app. On Mac, open Contacts, Preferences. In the Accounts tab, click plus iCloud, continue. Select the card menu, then click Look for Duplicates. Click Merge in the pop-up window to merge duplicate contacts. Way 4. Eliminate duplicate contacts on iPhone by linking them. Open your iPhone's Contacts app and select the duplicate contacts. Tap Edit, then scroll down to click the plus icon next to the linked contact. Click the second entry for this contact, then click Link. Way 5. Get rid of duplicate contacts on iPhone manually. Open Contacts. Tap the duplicate contact. Click Edit, top right. Scroll down, select Delete Contact. Tap Delete Contact to confirm. Repeat to delete other duplicates.